Making 3D style AI art with Midjourney is actually really easy these days. But the thing is, there's actually a whole bunch of different spins you can put on it by trying some different styles. So in today's video, I'm going to go through some styles which I think produce excellent 3D style art in Midjourney, and we're going to be doing it with a Terminator pig. So you're going to want to type in your prompt. So imagine Terminator pig, comma, and then the following styles to get these results. You can start off pretty simple with a realistic 3D render, which is just a basic description, but you do get some pretty cool results. But I like picking actual engines is a great way to go. This is an Octane Render on various versions of the algorithm. And when you remaster, you can get some pretty cool effects that way. Also, the Unreal Engine, which is used a lot, I've used that one a lot too, produces some very cool results, especially I think with the backgrounds and the environments. Now with a lot of these you don't really get the Terminator look, but when you do get the original algorithm and remaster, like with this Cinema 4D one, you do get some pretty cool little conversions. But when you go to something like a Pixar Render, you get a more cartoony look depending on what sort of character you're trying to create there. But I really like the Unity engine, the lighting on this first one, as well as just the little glowing bulbs and bits and pieces on this. I really think lights the subject really well. Whereas the Houdini Render has a different style again with this cool mech looking pig that once remastered has a really cool shiny 3D look to it as well. Now CryEngine produces something weird on the test algorithm, but I get this cool kind of Sith Lord looking pig when I type it into CryEngine. Now a lot of these still produce fairly similar results to some of the others. Like if you look at this Povray one, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but also this LuxCore Render. You get some cool results, but it's just interesting to see the little differences it makes, even though it's kind of ultimately more or less the same. But Raylectron created a really cool picture there, and also this image is cool. When it's actually remastered, you get a pretty cool style that way. Infini-D-Render, another cool look. The glowing sort of bottom of this one I thought was really impressive, and one of the reasons I wanted to showcase this image. But DirectX also had a cool style to it as well, and actually put more of a man shape onto the pig's face, which is just something cool and a bit different. If you want something different, try adding Terragen on there, and you get some cool landscapes with it, which are sort of have very cool lighting to them and another cool 3D effect. Now, don't forget, if you want to get even cooler results, try mixing some of these together and seeing what you get. Mixing in different rendering modes and different sort of things can actually help you create something unique and different than just simply using one at a time. But otherwise, there's a list below of all of the modes I tried if you want to check those out. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions or any other styles you'd like to explore, leave a comment below and we'll check it out for the future. Otherwise, have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon.